Hey, buddy.
Oh yeah.
Has Robby given you any word?
Nothing.
No word from Robby. Well, we were gonna meet up with Robby today. Go ahead, Provo, and maybe some street or something.
Robinson, he is not gonna be coming down today.
He bailed on us.
No, that's rude.
Robby. Oh my God! I almost say shit.
We're gonna go to our local. Luckily, it's.
And just like that, they're gone.
Got a little zip line. Go back and forth all day long.
Who'd be a good dog?
These Mountain Dews are crispy cold, dude.
Are they? Let me know that.
What do you know about certified crispy, bro?
So Robby bailed on us, and now we're just gonna go to Spanish Fork and probably play a game of Scoot. Just ride, because it's a great day today.
Then we're off to the skate park. We're off to the skate park.
That's in the middle of something. That's in the middle of something. Come on.
The rappers catch fire and thunder would fall like the ash from a cigarette while I'm.
Look out, everyone. The turkey's in town. My hat is set on riding mode, but I'm filming. I'll put on filming mode. Filming some shit. Hey! Dude,
at the beginning.
Yeah, that was awesome. That is nasty. The turkey.
Oh.
See, this is what I like about showing up to our home park during school hours. There's just nothing like riding in a skate park that's empty with one of your best homies. There she blows. That was fantastic. The lines are just unreal. Spine, huh?
Where are you standing?
Do some. Last time I was here with Robby, and I was going over him, and it looked so good. So do a couple like that. Unintentional and steezy. That's pretty good. I did not expect the front tube sev out, so that was sick. Toss me a water bottle. Hi.
Hey bro, you gotta land on your wheels.
No, I got it.
Yeah. There you are. There you bro. Just land it. Oh my gosh, was that so?
That dog that we took back earlier actually ended up getting out again, so we had to leave the skate park momentarily. Welcome to today's episode. I'm just kidding. Well, we're on our way back to the park right now. One of my favorite ways to travel, actually.
Oh, he's gonna get out of the car. Oh, I see.
Join me, friend. I think it's big enough for two. So it's big enough for two. But next time we gotta set the cruise control on the freeway.
My team.
Alright, so we're gonna huck a game of Scoot. So the game of Scoot went well. Now we're gonna try to go for a game of add-on. Just a quick one because we never get a session like this, so we're gonna take advantage of it.
First trick is down rail.
First trick is the down rail. Wow, that is. We got a rock, paper, scissors. You sleaze. All right, first trick is not the down rail. I promise you that. First. Bar over that. Okay. Sorry. That one, yeah. Oh God.
I win!
No, it's your set. All right, well, you can't end the game on the first trick. I just missed the set, so now.
Hurricane down rail.
Hurricane the down rail. Oh my God.
I don't know about the big one.
Okay. Okay, that's good. Butter.
So now I gotta do both of those and one more? Okay.
Okay, ready?
Oh, I have no speed. Oh,
We'll count that.
Even more.
Oh, if I get over that line, I'm gonna do 540 air on the bank.
Did it!
Still got it. You're good. Still landed it. After the 540.
Still got the 5, so turkey's up next.
After the 540, I'm gonna stall front feeble on the rail, 270 bar out. Ah, so I lose?
Turkey loses.
I lose. Okay, let's go home.
That's game. Let's get a couple doubles clips real quick.
Wait, no.
Well, that was a very short game of add-on, but it was fun. Nonetheless, 5 minutes is still a fun game of add-on. Now Turkey's gonna try to get some Instagram clips. So yeah, we'll skip to that shit.
Popped when I stepped on it. Butter. Keep that clip real quick. Just tore the whole shoe.
Let's see it. Oh, that's nasty.
And this one's still flop.
Holy fuck! 100. Holy.
You have been conquered.
Because we didn't bring wax.
Have you ever done that?
No.
Huh.
For this? Well, a couple cool clips. Now we're pretty much done with the sesh. I flipped the rail, that's never happened before. Yeah, school's out, so we're out. Yeah. Back home to eat some pizza, edit some stuff, get these videos out to you guys. Honestly, we love making these videos a lot, so it would mean a lot to both of us if you would like and subscribe. Leave a little feedback if there's something that you don't like about our videos. Let us know, and you know, we love the feedback, we love the tips, any advice that anyone could give us. Honestly, we're just out here doing what we love. So I'm back tomorrow or the next day, because we consistently are posting every 2 days now at around 2 p.m. Mountain Time. Yeah, that pretty much wraps it up.
I think I can just go real quick.
Just go.